make fan ninja people.
Okay.
First, you get a pin from the kitchen. We did the old pin. I know how to use old pins. And then, whoops. I don't know if the fan ninja face is there.
Well, but you make a face. How do you do the face? Oh, you took it off.
Yeah. To the fan ninja face. They go away. Yep, it's gone away.
Well, it's okay.
So,
Remember, do it how you did it before. You did it when it was already on. Do it just how you did it before.
I'm going to put it on first and then right.
There you go. That's how you did it before.
Okay.
There you go.
guys.
That's how you did it before. Then you put the bandana to put the ninja thing.
Yeah.
And then you put the little eyes to make it like a little guy.
And do the mask face.
The mask face.
A mask face.
And then you fight the fan ninja.
Yeah.
How do you do that? Hey,
Hiya!
hey,
Hiya!
hey. Your thingy. Oh, this is how you're gonna fight the fan ninja. Don't hit the blades at the light. You gently fight the fan ninja.
Hiya! Hiya! How was that, ninja? So, that's how you make a fan ninja.
Let me see your little fan ninja.
Here he is.
Hi, little fan ninja. Are you gonna get tired of being upside down? Can you stop it so it doesn't make me dizzy? Can you hold it and stop it?
Yeah.
There you go. Hi, little fan ninja. You gonna...
Hiya!
Hiya!
Hiya! He's hiding y'all back to you.
Hiya!
Yo!
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Steven, for teaching us.
You're welcome.
Bye, Steven.